This is George Beyrouthi from FS Securities, a stockbroking firm on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. Today I will show you how investors and traders can make money on our stock market. I will show you a trade using options that we put together on Friday before the long weekend with expiry next week. So enjoy the presentation and give us some feedback if you wish. Now, we have established a mechanical system. I started to design it about 10 years ago, where we've created different strategies for different type of people: the investors, the conservative traders, the aggressive traders, and the very aggressive traders. Every week we present the weekly forecast before the market opens on Monday. We did that on Friday at the end of the market, and we've noticed that CBA for the week started to go from very bullish to bear to neutral. And for the very aggressive trader, there was a bearish position, or actually a strategy for the very aggressive, where we can go bearish for 1 or 2 days. However, we actually most of the time we look at the middle center here for the conservative trader and the aggressive trader, and we've seen a neutral position. So we've designed a strategy in options called iron condor, where we bank on the neutral trend in a particular stock. So looking at the chart, when we entered the market on Friday, before the market shut, CBA was trading at $72.86. By the way, it closed at $72.54. So that was the chart taken at the time when we entered the trade. What we did, we bought a put at a strike of 69. I will explain what I mean by strikes and those levels, what they mean. So we bought a put option with a 69, that's the strike price, the contract price, and expiry the 7th of November. 7th of February, excuse me. And we sold a put option at $70, expiry the same date. And we sold a call option at 74, and we bought a call option at 75. So provided that CBA on the 7th of February remains between 70 and 74, the premium that we've received from selling those options, less what we spent on buying the put and the call option, will be a premium that will remain in your bank account. Now, so this is actually what we call the iron condor strategy. So this is actually the chart. We were actually at 72.86 when we entered the market, and of course we wanted to remain within that frame or that range, 74 and 70. So we looked at the various indicators and also from the mechanical system that we've designed, and we decided to go into that particular iron condor strategy. Now what we see here is what we call the payoff diagram. You've got that's the $0. Anything above the $0 is profit or reward. Anything below that line is risk or loss. So we have the reward here, and as I said, we want CBA to remain between 70 and 74. And of course there is the risk, and there is reward to risk of approximately 33%. That is actually before cost. There is the various commissions and fees paid. So let's call that approximately 20 to 25% net profit approximately. Now this is the trade that we did. As I mentioned, we entered the trade on the 25th, expiry on the 7th. We sold the 74 call, and we sold the 70 put. We received a premium. We entered with 70 contracts, so you multiply each contract by 100 because each contract has got 100 shares, and of course every contract has got a premium, and then you multiply the 43 cents by 50 by 100, and you get 2,150. And we sold the put, we received $1,200. Now, we bought the call and the put as protection. Otherwise, the call option that we sold or the put option that we sold could be naked and can be indefinite loss, unlimited loss, by the fact that we bought the put to make sure that it doesn't, if we were to be 100% wrong, we don't want to lose our shirt. So that's the protection that we've taken. So anyway, if you want to find out more about this particular strategy, of course we're going to keep you updated every day about how we're going. The market on Tuesday closed lower, and CBA at the moment is trading below 72, which is good sign for us. Now this is actually my information. My email address is george@fssecurities.com.au. You can write to me anytime. You can also visit our website www.fssecurities.com and 1300 number. And if you want to call me from overseas, you put the 61 for Australia, you take out the 0 and 411 259526. Finally, happy trading and have